All right guys, this is Accudraft's Pro Series paint booths and finishing systems. They're built for economic solutions to whatever you've got going on. Available in galvanized or white on white like you see behind me. Even though it's one of our economic lines, we've gone above and beyond to give you some better features. You know, inside access lighting across the board as a standard where you might not find that in the rest of the industry. We've got a punch numbered system on every single part so you can actually put these together yourself. If you ever needed a part or you ever had a damaged part, you can refer to the part very quickly, and we have a very organized system to get you that part immediately. We also have better components on our controls than you would see in most situations. You've got an exhaust VFD is standard. We've also got standard LED lighting. So again, Pro Series is our solution, our economic solution, but we've got a lot of really good features packed into them.